Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the tools. Make sure your keyboard's FN and Windows or Command key work. Once ready, press Win+I to open settings, then type Display and press Enter to jump to display settings. If you use a laptop with dedicated GPU controls, make sure its hotkey toggles are enabled in NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel control panels. This step lets you change resolution without hunting menus. It sets the system up so keyboard shortcuts and quick toggles will take effect. Now you map or use keyboard shortcuts to change resolution. You can run Win plus Control plus Shift plus B to reset the display if it glitches. But for real switching, assign a script using Auto Hotkey on Windows or Automator/Apple script on Mac OS to cycle resolutions. Once done, bind that script to a single hotkey combination and test it, cycling through common presets like 1920x1080, then 1600x900, then 1000. Finish by verifying the new settings. Check resolution, scale, and refresh rate to ensure apps render correctly. Make sure you accept changes when prompted. If the screen blanks, wait 15 seconds and most systems will revert automatically. If the hotkey doesn't work, recheck script permissions and GPU control settings, or try safe mode and reconnect an external monitor to recover. Finally, document the working key combination so you can repeat the change quickly and confidently without reconfiguring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.